Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw D.O. from the new Star Wars Rise of the Skywalker. So to start off with this, we want to begin with the head. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a nice diagonal line like this. Now on the end here, I'm actually going to kind of curve this and then kind of come back. And then right here, I want to make another diagonal line right there. Now, starting up here, I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to kind of curve it down. And I just want to connect it right to here. It's almost kind of like a cone shape. Now, right here at the end, I'm just going to make a little circle for the very front of it. And then right in here, I'm going to add a little curved line just to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. Now, right here, you just want to make a curved line for one of those little stripes. And then up here, I'm going to make a little line that's kind of like a rectangle shape. And then I'm going to make another long rectangle shape right here. Now, starting back here, he's going to have a little antenna. So I'm just going to draw a long skinny line that just kind of goes out and then comes back here. I'm going to put a little curve right there. And then he's going to have another one over here. So I'm just going to make another one that goes out, comes back, and then has a little curve on it. Then right here, there's going to be a little line that just kind of curves up and then comes back down. And there's the face of him. Now we want to make the rest of the body. So right here where I drew this little line, I'm just going to put 3 lines on here. I put one at each end and then one in the middle. And then I'm just going to connect these with a straight line across. Then, starting here, I'm just going to draw a long line that goes across, and then I'm just going to go down and over, and when I get to here, I'm just going to kind of make a little rectangle shape. Then, right here, I'm going to draw 2 lines that just kind of go down a little bit. And then I'm going to make a little curved line, kind of like a letter C. And then I'm going to put a little circle on the end of it here. Then right here, I'm just going to make 2 lines that just come down. Maybe go a little bit farther. And then I'm going to draw a little circle right here. And then a little line that just kind of curves around here, kind of like another little C shape. Now, he kind of rolls on this big wheel. So starting here, I need to make a big circle that's just going to go down and then come around here. So I'm just going to draw a nice big circle shape that goes down and then comes around. Then, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve like this, and then it's going to come down, and then it's going to curve to here. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes out and then comes down. And then that's kind of like the shape of the body. Now, starting right here, I'm going to add some details in here. So I'm going to make another circle shape inside of here. Just kind of go around and then come up to here. And then I'm going to make a little rectangle shape that goes all the way down to here. And then same thing on this side, kind of make that rectangle. Then I'm going to draw a little line here and a little line right there. And then I'm just going to add a couple more little lines going up. And then I want to repeat the same thing on the other side. So I put 4 lines over there, so I'm going to put 4 right there. Now right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down, and it's going to go right to about there. And then on here, I'm going to make some curved lines. Now I'm going to make a couple of these kind of curved just a little bit as they go across. And then as I get to about the middle point, I'm going to make them a little bit straighter. And then now as I'm coming down here, I'm going to kind of curve these just a little bit. Just like that. Then right up here, I'm just going to make a couple little lines that just go straight across. And I'm just going to add a little line that goes straight across on here. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes down. And then right here, he's got a little wire that's just going to kind of go down. And then it's just going to curve around here and come all the way to here. And then I'm just going to redraw that shape just so we can make it a little bit bigger. Kind of curve it when you get into here. And then I'm just going to color that in just so we don't see any of those extra little lines that we have. And the cord is kind of colored in a little bit anyway, so it'll be fine if it's black like this. And then just kind of fill it in. And there you go. There is your drawing of D.O. from the new Star Wars Rise of the Skywalker. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.